with Martine's Pastries. We're going to show you how to set up your gingerbread house kit for the holidays. In your kit, you're going to get everything you need to set up one gingerbread house. Come with a board, all of your gingerbread pieces, 2 bags of icing, and lots of candy for the kids to snack on. You're going to have one bag that's a little bit bigger than the other one. This is the one you want to use to set up the house. The other bag you're just going to set to the side for now. That's what you're going to use to decorate with. So before you get started, you're going to want to map everything out on your board. And the best way to do that is to use your board as a guide and put everything together upside down. So you're going to put everything like so. And that'll give you a good idea of where to put all of your icing. And then you can see you want to leave a little bit more room towards the front of the board so you can make a cute little walkway in front. And you're going to take the bigger piping bag and cut a pretty good sized hole in the end of it. And this is where we don't want to be afraid of using a lot of icing. You really need it to stick everything together. Just going to go straight line right here, nice big line over here. Then you want to go up the sides on the back and up the sides on the front. Once you have everything in place, don't move it. You're going to push it down firmly and stand your back up. Press it together. And the same on the front. You kind of turn it to the side. Give everything a nice, firm but gentle squeeze on the ends. Try not to push in the middle of anything and break it. So that's the first part. You can go around back, on the sides if you need to, on the front if you need to. Just give it a little extra glue. For the tops, nice thick amount of icing again. Up and down. Take everything, stand it so the bottoms are together, and then you just want to pull them over the top. And again, with your whole hand, a firm but gentle press. Make sure that all that icing is really on there. And that's the hardest part is done now. So if you really want to make sure that everything is going to set, go ahead and put this aside for maybe an hour, half an hour if your icing sets up a little faster. You can try now if you want, which is what we're going to do now. That's the first one. I'll put one here that we've already put together. So these little extra pieces that we have, you're going to get a door. You just want to run some icing up the side and on the bottom and just smash it on there where you want it. You're going to get 2 little pieces for the chimney. First, you're going to make that into a little sandwich. And then again, some icing on the bottom. And we'll put that right over the top of the east. Alrighty. And you'll want to take your smaller piping bag and cut a smaller tip in it. Start small. You can always go a little bit bigger. And this is where you can have a lot of fun. So we're going to do a little bit bigger. You can do some little scallops on the roof. fun candy ears you can play with. We gave you some extras so you can have a little snack while you're at it. Keep on going and putting all your candy on. Whatever icing you have left at the end, you can spread around your board and turn it into a little snow and add your sprinkles. And that's the kit that you're gonna get. We hope you have a great Christmas season and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.